So hello friends, we will start with the topic matrices. Okay, you have done some study about matrix in 11th and 12th standard. Okay, now we'll revise some basics concept about matrices and then we will go to the advanced study. Okay, matrix is a very powerful tool in our mathematics and engineering field. Okay, and its use was increased after the digital computer comes into the pictures, and matters form the foundation for the one branch mathematics known as linear algebra. You will study it will later in second third year. Okay, so this is very important topic. Matrices very easy topic also. Okay, now what is matrices? We know matrix means there are some rows, there are some columns. Okay, so you know matrices nothing but the array which contains some columns and some rows. For example, in general matrices are denoted by the capital letter A, B, C, D. Okay, you know that. So let A is equal to, so this is the first element, so we write it by A11, A12, okay, up to so on A1n. Here A21, A22 up to A2n. Continuing this way, somewhere there is AN1, AN2 up to ANn. So this type of array are scheduled matrices with some operations like additions, subtractions, multiplication. Okay, so array and satisfying some operations of additions, subtractions, multiplications are called matrices. Okay, now this is the basic idea what matrix look like. Matrix nothing but some array containing rows and columns. Okay, and this is the notation for representing the matrices. Okay, now you know the concept of order of matrix. So what is the order of matrix? Order of matrix just represent what number of columns and rows the matrix has. Okay, we say that a matrix A is of order n by m, means matrix has n rows and m columns. Okay, for example, we take the matrix 1, 2, 3, 0, 4. Now this matrix has two rows. This is one row, this is second row, and three columns. This is first column, this is second column, and this third column. So two rows, three columns. So order of this matrix is 2 by 3. Suppose this matrix is A. Okay, so we write this matrix A is of order 2 by 3. Okay, so the matrix, let A is equal to matrix Aij. Okay, Aij are the elements of the matrix. It's of order m by m if where first element m is denote rows and second element denote column. 2 by 3 means there are two rows, three columns. Okay, so matrix A is of order m by n if matrix A has, okay, if matrix A has m rows and n columns. Okay, then matrix is said to be of order m by n. Okay, for example, we will take another example. Okay, so -4, 5, 1, 3, 2, 0. So this is the matrix B. How much row? This matrix has first row, second row, and third row. So there are three rows. Okay, three rows. And how much columns are there? This is one column and this is one column. So two columns. So 3 by 2. So this matrix B is of order 3 by 2. Okay, this is the idea of order of the matrix. Okay, very simple to understand. Now we will go to the points in which we will see various types of matrices. Okay, you know some types of matrices you may have seen in your 11th 10th study. Okay, but we will again revise it. Okay, so the first type is zero or null matrices. Okay, a very simple type of matrix, zero matrix, in which all the elements are zero. A zero matrix or null matrix is a matrix in which all the elements are equal to 0. Okay, is called zero matrix or null matrix. For example, the zero matrix, okay, of order 2 by 1, because there are 2 rows, 1 column. It is zero matrix of order 2 by 2. Okay, so zero matrix is the matrix in which all the elements are equal to 0. Next type is square matrix. You know square matrix? The square matrix means the matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns. Okay, a matrix in which the number of rows are same as number of columns is said to be square matrix. Okay, square matrix means number of rows. Okay, a matrix in which number of rows are equal to number of columns. Such matrices are said to be square matrix. Okay, for example, the matrix 1 2 3 4. Okay, how many rows are there? This is one row, this is second row, this is one column, this is second column. So 2 rows and 2 columns. So matrix is order 2 by 2. So the matrix of order n by n, number of rows is equal to number of columns, are said to be square matrices. Okay, so very simple type. Square matrix means number of rows equal to number of columns. Okay, this matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 3 by 3. Number of rows equal to number of columns. So in square matrix, instead of saying this is 2 by 2 matrix, we just say this is the 2 square matrix. 2 square matrix means this is 2 by 2 matrix. This is 3 by 3. Here m and n are same. So instead of saying 3 by 3, we just say this is the 3 square matrix. But this is not the case here. This is 2 by 1. We cannot say 2 square matrix. It is not a square matrix. So if a matrix is n by n, that is square matrix, then we say that it is a n square matrix. Okay, and in square matrix, these elements A11, A22, A11, A22, A33, A44 are called diagonal elements, and this is called the diagonal of the square matrix. Okay, this is called diagonals. Okay, the elements like first row first columns, that A11, A22 second row second column, A33. Okay, such elements form the diagonal of square matrix. Okay, and diagonal exists only in case of square matrices. Okay, so again the next type is diagonal matrix. Okay, so now we know diagonal matrix, for matrix to be diagonal it must be a square matrix, because diagonal exists only in square matrix. So diagonal matrix means a square matrix in which non-diagonal entries or non-diagonal elements are zero. Only diagonal element exists. Other all elements are zero. So a square matrix, diagonal matrix are the square matrix first. Okay, the square matrix in which non-diagonal elements are 0. So except diagonal, all the elements are 0. Such matrices are called diagonal matrix. For diagonal matrix must be first square matrix because diagonal exists only in case of square matrix. For example, see, this is a square matrix. It is a 3 square matrix, means 3 by 3 matrix, and diagonal elements are 1, 2, and minus 1, and all the other elements are 0. So this is called diagonal matrix. Okay, here only diagonal elements are non-zero, and other all elements are the 0. So the matrices are called diagonal matrix. Okay, all the non-diagonal matrices are 0. So this is the example of diagonal matrix. But for diagonal matrix must be a square because diagonal exists only in case of square matrices. So in definition we have written a square matrix in which all non-diagonal matrices are 0. Such matrices are called diagonal matrices. Okay. Next type is scalar matrix. Now scalar matrix is nothing but particular case of diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix means a diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are same. Okay. A scalar matrix, it is a diagonal matrix. It is a diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are same. Okay. A scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which all the scalar elements, all the diagonal elements are same or equal. See, here diagonal elements are 1, 2, and minus 1. They are not equal. Okay. For example, the matrix 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. Now see, first this is diagonal matrix, agree, because all the non-diagonal elements are 0 and all the diagonal elements are same 2, 2, 2. Okay, all the diagonal elements are same. Such matrix is called scalar matrix. So scalar matrix means diagonal matrix but in which all the diagonal elements are equal or same. If here is 2, all the elements in the diagonal are 2, then matrix is said to be scalar matrix. Okay. Next type is unit or identity matrix. Okay. Many students know this identity matrix. What is identity or unit matrix? It is a diagonal matrix, okay, in which all the diagonal elements are equal to 1. Okay. So it is the subtype of scalar matrix. What is scalar matrix? All diagonal elements are equal. What is unit matrix? All diagonal elements equal but are equal to 1. Okay. So a square diagonal matrix. Okay. A diagonal matrix always square matrix. A diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are 1, equal to 1. For example, diagonal elements are equal to 1. All other entries for diagonal matrix are 0. So this is the identity matrix or unit matrix of order 2 by 2. Okay. Now this is again diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are equal to 1. This is again a unit matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay. This is of order 2 by 2. This is of order 3 by 3. Okay. Such type of matrix are called unit matrix or identity. So the row matrix is a matrix which has one row. Okay, so matrix which has one row. Okay. For example, matrix 1, 2, 3. This matrix has only one row. Okay, this matrix has only one row and three columns, so 1 by 3. So the matrices are called row matrix. Okay, so matrix which has only one row. Okay, again for example 0, 2, some number say x. Okay, 3. This is also row matrix, only one row and 4 columns. Okay. On the similar basis, there is a type called column matrix. So what is column matrix? Matrix which has only one column. Okay. Matrix which have one column. Okay. Matrix which have only one column. For example, the matrix is -1, 2, 0. Okay. Matrix has only one column and 3 rows. So 3 by 1. Also, the matrix is say 3, 2, -1, 4 has only one column and 4 rows. So 4 by 4. These matrices are called column matrix. These are called row matrix. Okay. Next important matrix type known as triangular matrix. Okay. Before going to the triangular matrix, suppose this is the diagonal matrix. This is the diagonal. Now see, this is known as the part above diagonal, and this part is known as the part below diagonal, and it looks like triangle. Okay, this also looks like triangle. Okay, so depend on this, there are types. One new type is called triangular matrices. Okay, if all the elements below the diagonal, if all the elements below diagonals are 0, then matrix is said to be upper triangular. Okay, that is, if all the elements below the diagonals are 0, the matrix is said to be upper triangular. For example, see, this is the diagonal, say 1, 2, 3, and all the elements below diagonals are 0 and above diagonals are maybe 0, non-zero. Okay, so either say 2, -3, 1 and 0, 0, 0. Now see, all the elements below diagonals are 0, so this matrix is said to be upper triangular matrix. Okay, the matrix A is upper triangular matrix. So in upper triangular matrix, the entries, this is A11, this is A12, this is A13, this is A21, this is A22, this is A23, this is A31, A32 and A33. So if you look, okay, A31, A32. So A11, A12, A13. So if we write in terms of A, I, J, then if J is other entry, okay. Now here say A21, A31, A32. Okay, these entries are 0. A21, okay, A21, A31 and A32. These entries are 0. Here Aij, here I is 2, J is 1, so I is greater than J. Here A is 3, J is 1, so again I is greater than J. Here also A is 3 and J is 2, I is greater than J. So if Aij equal to 0 for I greater than J, the matrix becomes upper triangular matrix. Okay. So Aij is equal to 0 when I is greater than J. See here I is 2, J is 1. So I is greater than J, 2 is greater than 1. Here 3 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2. So Aij is equal to 0 when I is greater than J, matrix becomes upper triangular. So this formula or this criteria indicates that the elements below diagonals are 0. Okay. If we take I less than J, then these elements comes under the consideration. Okay. So this is the definition of upper triangular matrices. Now we'll see the lower triangular. What is meant by lower triangular matrices? Okay. So lower triangular matrices. If all the elements above diagonal are 0, then matrix is said to be lower triangular. Okay, lower triangular. If all the entries above diagonals are 0, then matrix is said to be lower triangular. For example, matrix B is equal to 2, 4, 6. Now in upper triangle matrix, in lower triangle matrix, all the elements above diagonals are 0. Okay. And say this is equal to 1, this is equal to minus 1, this is equal to say 3. Okay. Here also some elements may be 0, but all the elements above diagonals must be 0. And here below diagonal there may be some element 0, maybe not 0. Okay. So now these elements, okay, these are non-zero elements, but the elements above diagonals are 0. Now this is A21, sorry, A12, this is A13, and this is A23. Now in this case, I is 1, J is 2, so if J is greater than I, A13, so again I is 1, J is 3, again J is greater than I, and A23, 3 is greater than 2, so again J is greater than I. So in this case, Aij is equal to 0 for I less than J. So such type of matrices are said to be lower triangular matrices. Okay. This is one of the important part. Okay. One of the important type known as triangular matrices, upper triangular and lower triangular. Upper triangular matrix means the elements below diagonals are 0, and lower triangulars means the elements above triangulars are 0. Okay.